Hello and welcome to the world of Movie Community College. The professor and the warrior queen have been working hard to bring you some great new videos. Please make sure to like, subscribe and smash the bell. For now, let's just enjoy the fabulous video.
Namaste, Mitron. Welcome back to Movie Community College. Marinam Tish, hey. The warrior queen. You can't interrupt me.
I can, and I will, because that's what I do. Hey, look, everybody, I live in China. I can't survive because of all the pollution.
Well, in fact, what's going on is that Jeremy's sick. He has a cold. And if he does not wear that mask, then he'll be hacking like all in my space here. And I don't want to be in his cough cloud because it's very easy to get sick that way. So, yeah, that's what's going on.
Well, we have a food video.
We do.
From your favorite World Food Adventures.
I'm so afraid to watch this.
And hey,
it's
we're
not
in
in
Manipur.
Goa this. I was going to say it's not in Goa this time.
Yeah, we're in Manipur, so who knows what kind of craziness awaits us.
Well, let's find out, shall we?
Yes.
Oh, it says NAGA style chicken curry.
I think that's from Naga land.
NAGA style, so I would imagine the recipe came from there.
Of course, we're going to see the execution of the chickens.
I hope not. We didn't see them execute the chicken. That's good.
Oh, come on. Come on.
Yeah, I wish they would have decapitated it first. This is like a scene from A Christmas Story with the duck, remember? Yeah, it should have decapitated it first, I think. I mean, unless they're intending to just cook it whole like that with the head attached for broth purposes. I'm amazed that these women leave their rings on while they do this. Like in the kitchen here, those rings are off of my hands because they get mucky and you know, dirty no matter what you're cooking.
Did you hear? Ma!
I did. And remove the talons, it says.
I wouldn't want to eat the talons.
No, but a lot of people will use that to boil it and make like a bone broth. Nice sharp knife there.
The hatchet?
Looks like a mini machete. Whack. This is far. Oh, there's a bug! There's a bug! Did you see the bug?
I did. It's okay.
I was going to say.
It happens when we barbecue.
You have to shoo them away. I was going to say this is far less gross than the fish and the pig's head and all of that. Now, you have to be careful here if you're using the same cutting board as you did with your poultry, because that could be cross-contamination. You know what I'm saying?
Does it look like the same cutting board?
It kind of did. I hope not. I hope I'm wrong. I love garlic.
She's got some long hair.
She does. Peeling ginger. When I was at the grocery store yesterday, I saw a bunch of ginger over by the carrots.
What, did they have souls?
Ginger root deer.
Oh, not redheaded
No.
people?
But I thought about our Indian friends because they love ginger.
Because they know gingers have no souls?
Not people, dear, the food. Yeah, drain out all that excess. Absolutely. Whew, that's a hot pan, man. Looks like a wok. I bet that smells delicious. I love the smell of cooked onions. She's got the feet in there. She's got the feet in there. Some people love to eat chicken feet.
Ooh!
I'm not one of those people. And let it simmer. There you go. Cooks quicker that way. Stoking the fires. Sound like somebody got burned a little bit. Hear that?
Mm-hmm.
Some dried chili peppers. Some. That's a lot of dried chili. Oh my goodness.
You think that's gonna be spicy?
Yes. Yes, too spicy for our taste, dear. If they had just like chopped up, like finely chopped up one of those peppers, it would be too much for us. Oh, transfer them to the mortar. Uh-oh. Yep. Gonna crush those peppers. Oh my goodness. Hot. Hot. It's like a paste. Mm-hmm. Oh my goodness, that's gonna be so hot. I love garlic. Now, some people will disagree with me, but I think you can almost never have too much garlic.
You can. People who be smelling your breath would be disagreeing with you.
Oh, that's true.
Oh!
Claws looking right at you, their talons. Oh, that was funny. His reaction was good.
Yes. I'm in my DBZ garb.
Yes, you are. I
I'm
see
ready.
that. Yeah, I bought you that hat, the stocking cap.
Yeah, this is from you from Christmas,
Yes.
and this is from my
Our
sister,
friends, because
my
we don't
sister.
mention their names.
Yes, well, thank you for
Privacy.
watching. That was awesome.
Whew. I'm not a fan of eating chicken feet, I have to say. So, all right. Bye, friends.
I am pleased to announce that Dr. Squat is the official soap of the professor. Dr. Squat is the best-selling organic soap on the planet. Make sure you click on the link below to purchase your bar. Feel like a man, smell like a champion.